Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a Pythagorean Theorem problem using the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So let's get started. So this is our problem. As you can see, this is a right triangle with 3 sides. 2 of the sides are labeled. The length of side A is 7, the length of side B is 10, but C is blank. We're going to again be using the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared to solve for side C. Now let's get our problem set up. So let's put our formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared down here. And here's what our problem should now look like. Okay, so now we're going to plug in our numbers with the formula. So a squared, the length of our side A is 7. So we're going to replace the a in a squared with a 7. So now we have 7 squared. Now, b squared. We're going to replace the b and b squared with the length of side B, which is 10. So we now have 10 squared. Side C is still blank, so we'll leave it as this. 7 squared plus 10 squared equals c squared. Now let's solve. So, we're going to start with our 7 squared. 7 squared is also 7 times 7. And 7 times 7 equals 49. So 7 squared is equal to 49. Next, 10 squared. 10 squared is also 10 times 10. 10 times 10 equals 100. So 10 squared is equal to 100. Now, our problem should look like this. 49 plus 100 equals c squared. 49 plus 100 equals 149. So, now our problem is going to look like this. 149 is equal to c squared. But remember, 149 is only a square root. We are going to find what the square root of 149 is the whole number of. Okay, so now we're going to find the square root of 149. So, we're going to see if it is closer to the square root of 144, also known as 12, or the square root of 169, also known as 13. So, to do this, we're going to set up 2 problems. 149 minus 144. And then also we're going to be doing 169 with 149 being taken away from it. This is how we're going to find which one it's closer to. Once we complete both these problems, the problem with the lesser answer is the square root that 149 is closer to. So, we're going to solve this problem first. We're going to be subtracting square root of 144, also known as 12, away from our square root of 149. So, 0, 0, 9 minus 4 equals 5. So the answer to this problem is 5. Now for this problem, we're going to be subtracting the square root of 149 from the square root of 169, also known as 13. So, 1 minus 1 is 0, 6 minus 4 is 2, and 9 minus 9 is 0. So, we get 20. So, the answer to this problem is 5, and the answer to this one is 20. So, you know what that means. That means that 149 is closer to 143. So, now we have to find the decimal that square root of 149 will be equal to. So, anywhere from 12.1 to 12.4 would be accurate. But let's try and get even more accurate. So, 149 is pretty close to 150, which is also 12.5. So, we're going to put a little slot right here and that will be square root of 149, or 12.4. So, the square root of 149 is equal to 12.4. Okay, so the answer to our problem was 12.4. The square root of 149 was equal to 12.4. So, now for the Pythagorean problem, I picked 2 math practice skills that I thought represented this problem the most. I picked, firstly, math practice number 2, logic and reasoning. I can use words, numbers, logic, and reasoning skills to help me solve problems. Next one I picked was math practice number 7, utilizing structures. I could use the structure of a problem to help me find the answer. I hope that this YouTube tutorial helped you learn how to solve a Pythagorean problem and really helped you out a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!